Welcome everyone. Today's video we're going to head to B&M and we're going to check out the brand new delivery of plants. So as always, we're going to check out the names, the prices. I'm going to give you a little bit of a care guide as well, and they've got some really lovely stuff in at the moment. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So before we get into it, it's worth mentioning I'm only going to go through the new stock, and this is my local store in Fenton, Stoke-on-Trent. So we'll start off with these calla lilies, also known as Xanthidetia. Aren't they really pretty? Now, I've actually got a white one in my garden, and it comes back every single year. But traditionally, the Sol is more of a house plant. I couldn't tell you whether the coloured ones actually do come back. I only know for a fact that the white ones come back, because they come back in my garden. So moving on then, we've got some hydrangeas for £12.50. Now, no set colours on these, so it's a little bit of a gamble as to what colour you are going to get. Now, whether you get a blue one requires an ericaceous compost. If you get either a white or a pink, that does require a multi-purpose. Known as a deciduous shrub, meaning it drops all of its leaves over the winter period. Now, this is a lovely rockery plant called Oxalis, a variety called Sunny. These purple leaves are absolutely fantastic, and they are very hardy. Again, bit of a deciduous plant, or perennial should I say, meaning it won't look like that year round, but it will come back every year. Moving on to salvias then, £6.50. Now, salvias are really easy to take cuttings from. You can just simply cut them off and drop them straight into water to multiply your collection. This is a really lovely variety, and they're well stocked up for it as well. And then we have some heuchera. Now, I think this is a variety called Crimson Curls, but I could be wrong. It looks very similar to that. This is an evergreen little shrub, and it doesn't get too big. It looks lovely in any style garden. Then moving on, we've got some English lavender. Now, these are really good size for the price. They smell absolutely beautiful. £6.50. I feel like they're a pretty fair deal. Very hardy. I always plant them in a sunny spot with well-drained soil to get the best results. Moving on then, we've got some lilies. Now, these are absolutely massive for the price, loaded with buds. Now, it's worth mentioning these should go in a well-drained soil in order for the bulbs to come back every single year. They're only £10 for the size of them. Now, it's worth checking the tops of the plants, because a few buds can either drop off or get knocked off. So some plants will have more buds than others. They are classed as a perennial. The bulb will come back every year. Just don't keep it too wet over winter. So moving on, we've got some smaller ones then, the hardy lilies. Now, these are a pretty decent price, £4.50. There's 3 bulbs in each pot, and that's the large ones and these smaller ones. As you can see there, we've just got the one bud on the right-hand side. So if you check the stock, you will see some have more than others, as mentioned. And they've got a couple of different colours as well. All very healthy here on delivery day in my local B&M. So one of my favourites, Salix Flamingos. This is probably the cheapest I have seen it, for just £10. Now, these are actually grafted onto a different plant, meaning it's got a different rootstock to the actual head of the plant. This lush foliage is bright pink this time of year, and it's a deciduous shrub or tree, meaning it will drop all of its leaves over winter, but it has beautiful marble-like variegated leaves. And we've got smaller ones just here for £4. And I think they're 3 for £10 as well, which a pretty decent deal for those. So moving on then, for £5, we've got some dahlias. Now, these darker leaved ones are an absolute beaut, make a beautiful cut flower. These will die back to a tuber, which is a lot like a bulb. And some actually do come back once you leave them in your garden over winter. Some do, some don't, but you can dry them out. Strawberries then, £4 for a 6-pack, look pretty healthy. 5 for £5 for the tomatoes. And I'm not going to lie, brand new delivery, these are absolutely tiny. Now, there is other stores which you will see them a lot bigger, but they're a lot more expensive as well. I think tomato plants in the range shocked me as the price of them, and they've got some traditional varieties in here as well. So we've got some Bidens. Moving on to summer bedding, we've got a lovely peach verbena. Now, these are all in the offer. £1.50 or 5 for £5, which I think is a really good offer. Just bear in mind it's pretty cold tonight, and any frost will see either an end to your to your summer bedding, or they'll make them look pretty unhealthy for the next few weeks. Moving on to the season, Nepeta was the last one just there. Beautiful trailing plant, but again, all of these bedders will need some form of protection from the frost. These are what we call non-stop begonias. Now, these are fantastic. They love it shady. You can actually save these over winter into like a little corm, like a bulb, and they come back every year, but they are a little bit tricky. Mainly just sold as a summer bedder, but they are fantastic. And then we've got some osteospermums in packs. These are classed as a perennial, although I haven't managed for these to come back in my garden, but a lot of people on the chat have said that they come back every year in their garden. And then we've got some more just there as well. And some of the cell trays are planted a little bit high for me, but that's just a small bugbear. Doesn't make any difference to the quality of life to the plant. So we've got some more non-stops. So these are a trailing variety of begonia. Again, they love the shade, and they're brilliant in hanging baskets and troughs, and they flower their socks off all summer. And if you've got quite a shady garden, then these are definitely for you. So we've got some million bells then, which are fantastic. So 2 for £12. These, again, summer bedder, flower the socks off. When the first frosts are here, these will be done. We've got a lot of petunias in stock, which are like trailing variety of a sun-loving bedding plant. And then this is just a different variety of the million bells. I actually really quite like this, something a little bit different. Again, just a summer bedder. And then we've got geraniums, which geraniums are absolute sun-loving plant. Don't mind it too dry either. So if you're full of neglect when it comes to gardening, geraniums are a really good shout. Worth mentioning, they're all in a mix and match offer, so that's really good value. And then we've got the 20 packs for £3.50 of the Saphinias just there, for the mixed Saphinias. And then we've got the Busy Lizzies just there as well, also known as the Impassions, which Busy Lizzies are my favourite, one of my favourites, and I say that a lot. But again, just classed as a summer bedder. Moving around then, we'll start with this lobelia. Again, these are all £3.50, but no offer on these. But there's 20 in a pack, which I feel are pretty good value for 20 plants. And then we've got some French marigolds, which you can do some companion planting with your vegetables. And you can also eat those flowers. And then we've got some more lobelia there. Now, it does say whether it's bush or whether it's trailing. So we've got some dwarf stocks. Same price. Stocks are highly scented, make beautiful cut flowers. And then we've got some more lobelia there. And this is the trailing variety. As you can see, they're stocked up really well. Another trolley of exactly the same as what we've just looked at. So they're obviously hoping for a very busy weekend. And then we've got the fuchsias, £3 or 3 for £6. Feel a half decent price. You can actually overwinter these in like a summer house or windowsill, and they'll come back if you leave them out in the garden. Some varieties can come back, but really classed as an annual. But they have some really lovely varieties, and again, these are in a mix and match offer, so half decent value. And then we've got some more geraniums in the same offer. Geraniums are sun loving, fuchsias part sun, part shade. So depending on what kind of spot you're thinking about putting it in, which one will do better. So moving down then, if you guys have watched the channel, you'll know I'm mad about these pink kisses. Brand new variety to 2016. Again, same offer, £3, 3 for £6. Flower the socks off, classed as a semi-evergreen. So if you're in a mild part of the UK, they'll keep all of the leaves. And then we're on the final trolley on the front before we get into the back. Aubrietia, 4 for £10. Pretty decent. Aubrietia is a perennial, very hardy, looks great in a rockery, and they flower the socks off from early spring right the way through. And then we've got some phlox, again in the same offer, 4 for £10. These have like a little pink and white flower, really nice, ideal for a rockery, something like that, quite a low grower but fully hardy. And Louisa doesn't like it too wet. In fact, you could almost plant this in full sand and it would love it. But they have a really special flower. just give it a little bit of frost protection, as it can hurt the crown of the plant. So moving around the back, one of the stars of the show for me is these primulas. They're absolutely fantastic. Now, these are in the offer, so these have got £3 or 3 for £6, but just look how pretty those are. And I'm only guessing, but I'm guessing the bees will absolutely love these in your garden. What a lovely variety that I've actually stumbled across. Now, these are a little bit different to the norm, and that normally happens after the bedders, the primroses and primula bedders, are actually finished, and they're a perennial variety, so they'll come back every single year. So moving on, we've got some perennial salvias and also some lupins. They've got a few different varieties of lupins. Now, if you can get lupins through the first year or so, then they'll be absolutely fantastic in your garden. I just tend to struggle with slugs in mine, where I tend to put a few beer traps out. So we've got some standard fuchsias, or fuchsias on a stem as they're labelled. Now, these are pretty decent size for the actual price, loaded with buds. You can keep these in pots, plant them in the ground, just need a multi-purpose compost, and again, part sun, part shade, or they'd actually do okay in full shade, but you don't get as many flowers. So they've actually had a delivery of passion flowers. Now, these are a really decent price for just £6.50. So the passiflora is the Latin for passion flower. These are the traditional variety, and they are really quite lovely, and they've got very healthy growth points, as you can see at the top. They're deciduous. They are classed as hardy, but I haven't had much luck in my garden overwintering a passion flower, and never have. So let me know down below if you guys have a passion flower. Does it do good? Moving on though, I absolutely love this. Now, this is a variegated, almost like marble, like leaf pattern. Absolutely beautiful Lonicera, which is the Latin for the honeysuckle. So that's really quite lovely. £6.50. I think that is a brilliant find. And then more £6.50 honeysuckles, and got a couple of different colours, from whites to pinks. Really lovely, deciduous, drop the leaves, but they're fully hardy, so you won't have any issues seeing these through winter. So they've got a few really lovely hostas, £6.50, fantastic size for the price. I don't think it quite does it justice how big this is for £6.50. I know some garden centres, for £6.50 you get something half the size, so quality's fantastic. Now, these are bamboos. The variety, I'm unsure whether it's a runner or a clumper, so I think I'd recommend putting it in a pot as opposed to planting it in the ground. As you can see, very healthy. New shoots actually appearing. These are absolutely massive. For £30, I think you get a lot for your money. Just bear in mind, I think I'd probably go for a pot over the ground due to clumpers versus runners. So we've got some lovely standard roses, £15. Feel like it's a half decent price. Absolutely loaded with buds, a lot of fresh growth on them, very, very healthy. So I actually really like these. They look brilliant in a cottage style garden along with my roses. Then we've got a few different varieties of cordylines. So this variety is called Pico. So it's got like a lovely red centre. Not sure about the hardiness. I've only ever really got the green ones through our UK winters. Then we've got a red heart, which is, as you can see, a bit more red in the centre. Very pretty though. I'm not sure of the hardiness because, like I said, I've never managed to get anything other than a green one through our UK winters. Now, moving on, we have some Clisterman, also known as the bottle brush. That is very hardy. I've never managed to keep one, but it is hardy nevertheless. There we have it. So today's date is the 13th of May. Now, I don't know if you guys can just make out, but you can actually see my breath. It's actually gone that cold. So just keep an eye on your weather. Make sure there's no frost locally to you, and then you will be able to plant out your summer bedders. Fingers crossed, very, very soon. If you did enjoy it and you got something from it, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out, and drop a comment down below as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. But But until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care.